Hare Krishna. This is a message especially for those disciples of mine who like to have a little celebration on January the 3rd, which is supposed to be my birthday. Although can't be completely sure. It might have been on January the 2nd, late night or whatever. It's the beginning of a new year according to the Mlecha calendar. The Mlechas, they celebrate in the kind of horrible ways that Mlechas celebrate things. And I too was fully in that path by the grace of His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. I, among so many others, were picked up from a horrible life of total ignorance of Krishna, just sense gratificatory, supposed to be civilization, aimless. Srila Prabhupada picked us up and gave us the highest culture of the spiritual world. And he bequeathed to his disciples the extraordinary responsibility to continue giving that same message that he had brought from the spiritual world, that we should continue to distribute that and continue to initiate people into the Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya. I'm saying extraordinary. Well, of course it's extraordinary. Pramanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jeev. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. It's extraordinary good fortune for anyone to come to the lotus feet of Krishna or to get the seed of the creeper of devotional service by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. But it's most extraordinary in that persons like myself who come from a background of total ignorance of Krishna and anything to do with Krishna, are now charged with the responsibility to give that same knowledge and culture to others. So we're simply holding on to the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, which is a metaphorical way of saying what he told us to do, which is to repeat what he said and to follow his example as much as we can. He's a great pure devotee. His example of being Krishna conscious. And Srila Prabhupada, he almost demanded of us that we should be fully Krishna conscious. And as a disciple, now in the role of a guru, following in his footsteps, I'm also charged with demanding that of you. So it's amazing, simply amazing, how by the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu received, which we have received through Srila Prabhupada, this is all still going on, and Srila Prabhupada didn't want us just to carry it on, but to expand that more and more. So, Happy New Year. The Kamis say that in their drunken state. But Happy New Day, every day in Krishna consciousness should be blissful. If we're in Krishna consciousness, we must be blissful. So be happy. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. That's my New Year message to you. It's the message that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives us repeatedly. No need to be miserable in this material world. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. And thank you so much to all of you for kindly remembering me. Go on with your chanting. Go on following all the principles and be worthy grandchildren of Srila Prabhupada and be worthy disciples who I can be happy to present to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Thank you. Hare Krishna.